Welcome to the battery shop. Today we'll show you how to replace the primary lead-acid battery in this 2024 BMW 330i. The battery is located in the trunk. However, we have to disconnect and remove the 12-volt lithium battery from under the hood first. Let's get started. The first step is to locate the 12-volt lithium battery under the hood and remove the protective panel. Next, loosen and remove the fastener for the negative cable and set it off to the side. Remove the plastic guard covering the positive terminal. Now loosen and remove the fastener for the positive cable and set it off to the side. Next, loosen the fastener for the hold-on bracket. And remove the hold-on bracket. Finally, disconnect the communication plug from the battery. Now you can remove the battery and move on to the lead-acid battery in the trunk. First, remove the trunk floor panel to access the battery. Then loosen and remove the bolts for the brace above the battery. You will need a 13mm wrench for this. Then, remove the brace. Next, loosen the fastener for the negative cable clamp. You will need a 10mm wrench for this. Then remove the negative cable from the battery's negative terminal and set it off to the side. Next, remove both covers to gain access to the battery's positive terminal. Then lift the positive cover and loosen the fastener for the positive cable clamp. And remove the positive cable clamp from the battery's positive terminal and set it off to the side. Next, loosen and remove the bolt for the hold-on bracket using your 13mm socket and extension. Then you can remove the vent tube and the battery. And install the new battery and vent tube. Then reinstall the hold-on bracket and tighten the bolt using your 13mm socket and extension. And reinstall the positive cable clamp on the battery's positive terminal and tighten the fastener. reinstall the plastic cover over the positive terminal. Then reinstall the negative cable clamp on the battery's negative terminal and tighten the fastener. Then reinstall the metal brace and fasteners. Next, reinstall the trunk floor cover. Now, moving back to the front of the vehicle, you can reinstall the 12-volt lithium battery. Install and secure the hold-down bracket and tighten its fastener. Then, connect the communication plug to the battery. Next, reattach the positive cable to the positive terminal and tighten its fastener. Then reattach the negative cable to the negative terminal and tighten its fastener. Reinstall the plastic guard covering the positive terminal. And finally, reattach the protective panel covering the battery. And we're done.